tried peeling out of the gas station, something that, you know, Sally we haven't done before. Bro, go figure, as I take the car, I'm gonna be responsible for something.
Hey, what did you do to my car? I've traveled a long way and spent a lot of money to make this happen. Bad things are gonna happen to you. What'd you do to it?
The axle broke, but I imagine that's because of your ill driving capabilities trying to do donuts the other night. Not to mention your negligence to fill oil, so it left me stranded. So twice now, I've had to tow your car to a shop for someone to take care of it. So I think you owe me for my time, actually.
Oh, that's actually fair. My bad. I may have overreacted. I may have jumped in a plane and got on this aircraft carrier and bought these missiles to come get you. No, this is just awkward. All right, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just messing around. It was all my fault. I literally have done so much damage to that R8, and Amelia, unfortunately, gets the bad end of it. So,
Later.
bye. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are on the USS Midway here in San Diego. Got Curly back in the vlog. I've been to San Diego, but I've never been on this aircraft carrier. It's absolutely insane. It's gotta be like a couple football fields long. F-14. Tomcat. Dude, this thing is crazy in person. I've never been this close to one. Wow. Now you can fly these, right? That's what you were telling me earlier?
Yeah. Why not?
Oh, look at this, it's Dave Bushwhacker up there. Look at all this. So that is a machine gun, or a Gatling gun, I guess it is. Look. Wow. Huge shout out to all veterans and active members of our armed forces for everything you do. It's just overwhelming being around this and seeing the magnitude of it. Like, oh yeah. Mad props to you guys. All right, guys, need to hurry, a little bit behind. According to my watch. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second.
I don't know.
Oh, dude, I forgot my watch. Can it stop real quick?
Yeah?
Hold that thought. That should work. What's up, dude?
Yo, what's going on, Dad?
Yes.
Come on
You
in.
got some watches here or what?
Yeah, we've got
A few watches? Oh yeah, look at this. You got a whole display. These are sick.
I think you mentioned you wanted the Chrono S blue steel right here, didn't you?
So you guys make, obviously, watches here.
Yep.
You guys been doing this for like 5 years. We've done a bunch of stuff with you guys, so a bunch of watches.
Yeah.
So I see the Rogue. The Rogue's my absolute favorite.
Yep.
Right here. I think I'll get the blue one this time. So I have the silver one at home.
Yeah,
That's
man.
sick.
Your fans have
Dude,
they've
that's
been
sick.
loving those. They've
So
been
a lot
buying
of
them.
these?
Yeah, man. You know the demand has been crazy from your fans, so we're definitely trying to get some more colors for them.
That's you guys. I mentioned earlier there's a new watch coming out in June that I'm gonna like.
DDE exclusive here, so we've got some pilot watches coming out and coming in June.
One's all
Color
black.
combos.
All the strap options. Link in description right now. Save big discount, little DD discount.
We appreciate it, guys.
No
Thanks for
problem.
coming through.
No problem. And sure makes some epic timepieces. We've been selling them for months. You guys love the Rogue Sports Series, which we absolutely love ourselves. There's new ones coming. They also make sunglasses, all those crazy epic things. Here's the good news. You guys get a wicked discount. Link in description. Click below. Grab an epic watch and enjoy the gift of time.
Hi!
How's it going?
Finally made it.
Yeah, I had to make a few
Good.
stops. I left my
the
watch
past
at home, so I had to go to Ventura and pick up a new watch.
Oh, let me see that thing. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
That one time.
So, I got my friend's 87 Targa Porsche here. Fully restored. It's only got 30,000 miles on it. Beautiful car. Then BBI did the sport suspension, and then it's on rotiform wheels. Yeah.
Dude, slammed.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, we also did the interior with houndstooth. So,
Oh yes.
yeah.
Dude, I love this.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
Love it.
car.
Smell.
Yeah, it smells good too.
I wish the audience could experience smell because it smells like a classic sports car, if that makes any sense.
I was gonna pick you up from the airport in this thing, but someone didn't get back to me.
Dude, is that the factory fan on the 6.5? Look at the size of this
We
thing.
do have something new that you guys haven't seen since the last time you were here. Our plasma cutter's up and running.
So it cuts really fast.
Really fast.
So you load your design in here, hit F7 once and it cuts. Yeah, that's basically, right?
Exactly.
That's a lot of buttons.
Oh yeah,
You must be very intelligent.
somewhat.
There's so many things happening in the shop around us right now. Yeah, he's grinding, he's cutting. Everyone's producing something, except for me. So I'm making this video right now.
Yeah, hey,
What are you doing here?
Making you look good.
Yeah. See the sex appeal, this one. Special package from XCOM.
Oh, nice and round.
Floaties.
Are these the floaties?
These are floaties.
Floaties?
These are for the wagon. The black wagon coming down soon.
Nice.
Look at the packaging on this. It's like Christmas morning.
Yeah. It's really packaged. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, you guys.
Oh, look at
XCOM
that.
MC.
Right there.
Thanks for everything. Thanks as always. Take good care of our baby here. There's my keys. Now this is cool. It has one key for the door, one for the ignition.
It's old school.
Old school. See, if you've never driven an H1 before, they're big, they're heavy, they're not slow, but they're definitely not fast. They have the craziest blind spots. The gauges are very analog. They don't brake well. They don't handle well. Also, the steering in Hummers are pretty loose. It's not a road vehicle. It's not built for freeway. So when you're at freeway speeds, there's a dead spot. So you're constantly making micro adjustments to keep it straight. Like I said, it's super exciting. The sushi place? Oh wait, never mind. We should be good.
So
and your friend owns this?
Yes, this is Umami. My friend Eric and Jenny, they own this place. Broken R8.
My broken R8. We're gonna go find out all the things wrong with my R8.
You're gonna shed a tear?
I don't know how to cry. I have no emotions. Kevin got in trouble. Kevin got in trouble. Did you get one?
Yeah, for what?
It says 1 hour parking.
We're not here longer than an hour.
Only funny if I didn't get a ticket. Is his more expensive?
93.
83.
52. What does yours say?
No plate.
Oh, mine says no. Mine says current tab.
You want to see something funny? Look at ours, 20-minute parking, bro.
We're in 20 minutes, we got nothing.
Look.
Yo, who do you call for that? Ticket dismissers. We'll take care of that for you guys. Now we got rain. So far, no leaks. Apparently it poured rain the last week and they actually had to pull the drain plug because there's about this much water in the Hummer. Coming in hot. There we go. And we're back at Sheepy Race.
Parking job.
Nice day we're having, hey?
Yeah, right?
This isn't supposed to be Canada. What is happening here? He's literally hacking the internet right now, us listening to you.
There might be.
I hear swearing.
He's already hitting the
There
door
might be
and
more.
swearing.
There might be more than just a couple of
Okay, let's see what happens.
He's there at the door. Look at
He's yelling at camera already. Let's try it again, let's try it again. Hey! All I can do was beep, 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 beep.
The only Coke I do is diet. You guys don't ever restock it.
This guy? You don't stock the Diet Coke?
I'm sorry?
You don't stock the Diet Coke?
No, that's Johnny's job.
Like they did a dead stop burnout and then just snapped it right at the
Oh, so what do you
Okay.
think caused that?
fucking doing a burnout. 100%.
You can do a burn on these cars,
mean-
can't you?
Yeah,
doing a
but like
proper burnout.
yeah, just like dumping it.
Not knowing
Like,
how
they
to
just-
do a burnout.
Dumped it. Yeah, just dumped it.
Holy.
She's not powerful, Dave. She's not
But
powerful.
you can still break things, which still makes it pretty fun.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. Is that worse than Choi's axle has broken?
Choi broke the bearings in the cage, which is a lot more common.
Oh.
Like the cage holds bearings inside of it, and that breaks and it just goes everywhere.
So I was doing donuts the day before it broke. Are the donuts that cause that? Or is it more like a hard launch?
To me, that's like instantly like smack.
Oh, there it is. Ooh. Yeah, that's not supposed to look like that.
No.
No. This thing's getting real. Must be closing time soon.
It
Oh.
was a cage on his car,
Yeah.
but yours is a whole different beast.
Oh.
That's the stub.
Okay, so tell me, Johnny, what else is broken in the R8? Because I know there's a list.
AC,
No air conditioning. Do we know it's
oil
compressor?
temp.
The axle's broken.
The driver's definitely broken.
Internally, for sure. I'm not gonna argue that.
There's
That's too
fresher
easy.
oil into the seat than there is in the engine.
So the reality is nothing's gonna get fixed in this tonight. We need to order parts. It's 4 days for that.
Yeah.
But good news, Curly has called some people.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have some shenanigans tonight. Sounds good. It's literally mopping wet. Trying to do some donuts right now. Wait, he's trying to. Hey Johnny, you gotta turn TC off first, buddy. Oh, he's just destroying that BMW. Look at this. God. There's a leak over here, you guys. Do you see it? I have a plan. The hotel, I'm pretty sure, has an overhang where you check in. So I'm gonna beg the staff to let me park the Hummer there so that this thing doesn't flood overnight. Oh. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. I'm gonna park it right here. Oh, you guys, I'm literally soaked. Oh, man.
It leaks.
So walking with the camera like
I
this.
know. You almost went down.
Wait. Oh, I was down. Just taking a moment to appreciate some of the cool old little quirks of this car, like defrost, you pull this, like, it's literally like finding an old airplane.
It is.
Your little Beaver has that stuff, right?
Everything's all manual.
It's already beating the R8. Number one, it runs and drives. Number two, it has air conditioning.
And it's manual.
Yeah, proper
which is
gearbox.
Amazing. Yep, proper gearbox. Drives nice. It has the G50 transmission, which I guess is a very sought after OEM transmission for these things.
Look at the street, it's completely flooded. Holy. Hey, we got the crew here. There's an 911. We got a Viper. We got an R8, a turbo. What's up? You're in the vlog, dude.
What's up,
You gonna spin the R8 tonight?
Maybe I'll let you do it.
No. No. The carbon fiber hood was R8.
Nice.
Look at this, you guys. Dude, that's sick. Oh my god. Oh man. Dude, there's no tires left. Oh, you hear that?
Oh, what was that?
Didn't
What
sound
was
good.
That didn't sound good. There's a lot of smoke.
The tire good still? Yeah. I don't know. So we got a crew of cars, the Viper, the Turbo, the R8 on the hood. We're gonna rip around now. I have no car, R8's broken.
Man.
Hey, you have an extra axle for your R8?
Yeah.
That thing sounds gnarly. Thanks, man. V10 lights. Yeah. You got a V8 in that thing. Who does a V8 R8 anyway? I have a V8 R8. Yeah. But I hate myself, so it's all good. Alright, who's gonna take this race?
That was nasty.
That was nasty.
That was good. That was good.
Raptor.
Raptor gonna do it?
It's a little top heavy.
Oh, but it can whip it. Hey, the R8 and the Turbo's gonna race.
Oh, they're gonna race. Oh, the turbo's fast.
Wow. Yeah, it is.
Turbo.
You see that Alpina pull on the R8?
Poor R8. Can that Corolla race the R8 so he can feel better about himself? race the Corolla. With all the carbon wrapping all the way down here. That's sick. I have an idea for a game we can play.
Alright, let's do this.
How much money can Curly spend in the gas station buying just random things.
Great game. It's gonna be the closest to the total. What are you getting?
Alright, what's everyone getting?
Oh my man, got me a Red Bull.
Protein.
There's no way that's what all he's spending money on. What you got? Oh,
Everybody's gotta try
they're gonna be okay with it. How much money we spend. Here you go. Curly.
Bro, sorry guys.
Some hot nachos, some like sandwiches, drinks. Yeah, you can nasty already.
I think it'll
This is
She doesn't
amazing.
look very happy right now.
Don't worry, I got the booster cables.
put that there, bro. Practice because no one's ever gonna use them.
We don't need that, bro. We got reliable cars.
Oh really? This is the R8 owner. Let me tell you a story about R8.
I'm serious.
How much? How much is your bet? Too late. How much? $100. We got $100 right here. How much? You're a marketer, you know.
Yeah, let me see. I'd say 300.
Oh my
300.
God. Way off.
85 bucks.
85. I was gonna say 85 bucks. 75.
110. 100.
All right, let's do it. Wait.
Oh, that's a big one.
$15.99. That's a big one.
$99.49.
Oh! So I was the closest. I said 85.
No, you guessed 100.
Oh, you said 100?
Kevin won. Kevin
We
won.
got a winner. Winner. Chicken
You're buying lunch. I guess what's for lunch? All this stuff tomorrow. You owe him $300 for this. Is that a good game?
That was an awesome random game, man.
This is awesome, man. I like spending Curly's money.
I know.
Right? That was a good game. We're gonna put that.
I'm in the R8.
Let's go in the R8. He needs more power.
Dude, you got a feast back here. Hitchhikers are gonna love you to pick them up now.
Alright.
Get in the trunk, but don't worry, they're snacks.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Jason's on it. Well, boys, who had fun tonight?
Always have
This
fun.
guy.
Just showing hands like in grade 12. I had fun. Who had fun? Who didn't have fun? Get out of here.
I didn't have fun.
You didn't have any fun?
I lost $300, remember?
He did lost $300. He did. He did. Well, guys, what's left for this vlog? Smash the subscribe button. Pick up some merch. Links in the description. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're out. Peace.